Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fill shapes with photos using the Shape Fill tool. So here we have some green shapes. These shapes we're going to fill with photos. These ones have been grouped together to create a photo collage, but whether you have a single green shape in your template or a group of photos like this, we fill all the shapes with photos using the Shape Fill tool. And here you can see step-by-step instructions so you can follow along during the tutorial. So let's get started. So first I'm going to click a shape, and then I'm going to click the Shape Format tab up here. Now the tab that you need may be called Format, Drawing Tools or Text Box Tools depending on your version of Word. Okay, so I'm going to click that tab there, and inside this toolbar you can find the Shape Fill tool. Now the Shape Fill tool is always this little bucket with the paint pouring out. So I'm going to click the little arrow next to Shape Fill and I can see the drop down menu, and then I'm going to click Picture. And I'm going to click a picture to add to the box. Now this picture is landscape, our box is portrait. That's okay, you can add any size photo to the box and then adjust the image. So press insert. Now you can see that our photo is inside the shape, but it's very squashed. Now we need to adjust the photo to fit the shape. So we're going to click the picture and then click Picture Format. It may be called Picture Tools in your version of Word. And then we're going to find the Crop tool. And this is the Crop tool here. And we're going to click the little arrow to see the drop down menu, and then use this tool here, Fill. The Fill tool unsquashes the picture and means that you can now adjust it. So we can click and drag this picture around. So if we wanted to zoom in just on these two people, we can hover over the white boxes just here, and you'll see as I hover over it, it turns to an arrow. And I can click that and drag it out and just have those two in the picture. Or I can adjust it to have everybody in the picture and pull it across, and there we go. Picture's in the box. Now let's just do that one more time. So I'm going to click a shape. I'm going to go to Shape Format. I'm going to find the Shape Fill tool, press the arrow, click Picture, and find my photo. Now you'll notice this photo is a square photo, so I'm just going to insert that one. And that one, because it's square, we don't need to do any adjusting. It fits nicely inside the box just there. Now to fill the rest of the shapes, we continue to follow each of these instructions here to completely fill the collage with photos. Here you can see the photo collage filled with photos. If you would like any help, you can contact me and send me a message and I'll get back to you. I'll be more than happy to help you. And also with your purchase is a help guide. And in the help guide there's some useful information on adding photos, editing text and printing.